Installation Windows. Hi. In order to install Python, you must visit the link I have projected on the screen. www.python.org web link. Here I am using Windows as my OS, so I will select the Python instance for Windows according to the version. MSI file which we will download and install on our machine. Once we install Python on our machine, we can follow the steps to be implemented. If at all you are using Python on Unix or Linux machine, at $prompt you will type Python. If it is Mac operating system, Python % will be there for operation, or if you are using Windows at a specific drive you will type the command Python that will help you to start the Python system. Command options. Switches or commands in the Python where we can use the following options: D, O, S, V, X, C followed by command and file. These are all we can use as a part of its command to understand the Python, and extension of the file of Python will be taken as in. P to specify the Python type. Testing environment. Then here I have just given a screenshot of how I can find Python, so we can use this with our following way of approaches as well. Let us take an example. I will be connecting to my prompt and will type Python, where you will find the Python command over here. Okay, so then here what exactly you want to use is all about. For example, I want to execute a code. The print command will help me out with displaying the information, and to exit the output, you can use Ctrl-C and Ctrl-Z to exit the Python command prompt. So keyboard interruption and coming out of the prompt where we are finding over here. This is basically how we can use the Python approach on our machines. You can even create your own file. You can create a text file with extension .p, and you can edit the code with a text editor, and you can run the program as it is. Let us see an example here. I would like to go to the drive and say I'm having the Python as my folder. I will be creating a folder named Python here. I will open my folder and I will make a file using the command notepad test1.p, where test1.p is my file. In this file, I will type a command print hello user and save the file. To run the program, type Python followed by the file name, which in our case is test1.p. This is how we can run the program in the Python. Hope you understood.